Look, this is my Bebe. She has an umbrella. And we are walking in the rain. We're eating some toast. Well, 7-Eleven. This place sucks. Rip you off. Bro, this mall is insane. What the hell, Dior? Nice here. It's like Beverly Hills. Alright, guys. One bite. Everyone knows the rules. We're at Yuya Toast here, underneath the mall. What's inside?
Kaya jam and butter on toast.
Alright. Oh.
Okay.
Is it better?
I like this.
It sounds good.
Okay.
And then you dip it in eggs. One bite. Guess what? Everyone knows the rules. This looks like a solid 7-1 review.
Right, that's good. You talk
Okay.
about it.
Alright, one bite. Everyone knows the rules. Look at that butter. Look at that jam. Wow, that tastes like candy. Dip it in here. Thin and toasty. Very homey. I would give it 7-1. Alright, brothers and sisters. Score review. Update.
7-8.
7-8. That's pretty solid. One shop. Everyone knows the rules. Curio. Like that little guy.
The puff pastry.
Not bad. Is a 6-5. Alright, black sesame ball. This is gonna be a banger right here.
Oh.
Oh.
I like that.
Let me see. Darkness.
The crispies there?
Yep.
Oh, right there. Damn it.
It smells pretty phenomenal, actually. It smells really good. It smells really good. Ladies and gentlemen, Wagyu with a little bit of egg yolk. I'm excited for this. Singapore, let's see how you do. Yummy? Super soft. All right. Is this steamy? Oh.
Wait, rice down.
Sorry, guys. Here, Bebe, keep blow it. Make sure it's not hot. How is it?
Not good.
It's good? I'll try it. What the? Who broke your face? Nah, it's pretty comfortable. We're at the gym, the Bougie gym. You can get your BMI too.
But I'm open for...
I don't... Is there bok choy?
She said bok choy, and this looks like bok choy.
Oh my god.
Wow, that's
This
cute.
person came from heaven.
Thank you.
Wow, it smells so good.
Oh, it looks so yummy.
All
I
right.
needed to
We
get
got-
through my epidermis.
You're funny. All right.
Yeah, we were Nikki. Wait.
Let's see how they like it.
Very good.
I have a feeling it's gonna be delicious. One bite. Everyone knows the freaking rules.
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah, boy.
Gorgeous. So chimes. Oh, maybe.
Oh, not as. Never mind.
I don't get it.
So if you want to smell some tea, look. They have it everywhere in this. Oh, there are different cups. This one is a lighter brown. Hey, mine's thicker. Yeah, I knew. Jasmine green milk tea. Let's see which one she likes better.
Sounds good.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's the rating?
It's not as milky, but it's more
Floral?
tea.
7.9.
8.2.
82. What? Jasmine milk tea. This place is really popular. Look at it. They call your number and you order here. Right?
Get the sips.
One sip. I don't even taste it.
Really?
You can't taste the tea.
Are you serious?
It's a gambling boy's dream. What the hell? Gambling is bad, but guess how much we're up? $150.
Yes,
Or 250 Singaporean.
Blackjack.
Blackjack. Everyone knows the rules. Never hit on it. We gotta catch the bus. Catch the bus. Guys, we made it to the bus. We're sweating. We made it.
Now we just have to wait for the bus.
It's like 12:30. I feel so bad for Candice.
Oh, I'm good. I'm glad for you.